2016 Lincoln MKX. This is a reserve edition, about 37,500 kilometers on it. The big aluminum wheels, 3.7 liter I believe under the hood V6. Reverse sensing, backup camera, forward camera, power tailgate. Ambient lighting, of course. Full power leather, heated and cooled front seats. Big panoramic roof with the power shade. Of course, we have navigation. Rear heated seats. Very nice vehicle. You'll find it at Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln, 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.